Let's take one example on source transformation and source shifting. This is the given circuit. We supposed to bring this circuit to a single resistor in series with a voltage source connected between terminal A and B. This is R and this is V. So we supposed to bring this entire network to a single resistance in series with a voltage source. We supposed to find the magnitude of resistor and voltage. Look at the circuit. We have A terminal and B terminal. I'll call this terminal as C, D, this as E and F. So here no any resistors are in series, no any resistors are in parallel. Similarly, no any resistor is in parallel to current source and no any resistor is in series with voltage source. So here we cannot apply source transformation, but we must apply only source shifting now. We can apply both current shifting as well as voltage shifting. Here the current is moving from node F to C. Now I will make the current to flow from F to A and A to C. Therefore a current source will come in parallel to 5 ohm resistor and the same current source will come in parallel with 2 ohm resistor. Later this 2 ohm resistor will be in series with this 8 ohm resistor and this 5 ohm resistor will be in series with 10 ohm resistor. Similarly, there is a voltage source connected between terminal D and D. I will apply source shifting here. After shifting, the current source will come in series with a 8 ohm resistor between branch C and D and the same voltage source will come in series with 3 ohm resistor between branch D and B. Now I will redraw the circuit by applying source shifting, current shifting and here voltage shifting. So here we have 2 ohm resistor and here we have 5 ohm resistor. This current source will come in parallel with a 5 ohm resistor. So direction will be like this. The magnitude of this is 45 amp. Similarly here we can get a current source of magnitude 45 amp and here as usual there is a 8 ohm resistor. I will connect. This is 8 ohm resistor and here I will apply source shifting. So this voltage source will come in series with this. The polarity of voltage source is this end is positive, this end is negative because negative end is connected to E terminal and here the 10 ohm will come in series here. This is point D and this is point E. As usual this is point C and this is point F. Here also I will shift this voltage source. So the polarity of voltage source is this end is positive, this end is negative because negative terminal should be connected to point E. So the magnitude of this voltage source is same, that is 30 volt. Here also it is same. This resistor will appear in series with this voltage source, that is 3 ohm, and here we have 6 ohm resistor that is connected as it is. This is terminal A, this is terminal B. Now look at the circuit. Here a 45 amp current source is in parallel to 5 ohm resistor. We can apply source transformation here, converting current source into voltage source. Similarly here we can apply source transformation, converting current source into voltage source. I will apply source transformation. That is, if I apply source transformation here, we know that V is equal to I into R, that is 45 amp into 5 ohm resistor, that is equal to 225 volt. And here we have another V which is I into R, that is 45 into 2 which is equal to 90 volt. So now I'll apply source transformation. This was terminal A and this is 5 ohm resistor. We have a voltage source of magnitude 225, polarity is plus minus 225 volt, and there is a 10 ohm resistor here. I'll connect it as it is, and here we have a resistor of 2 ohm, and there is a voltage source of magnitude 90 volts, and there is a 8 ohm resistor, and there is a 30 ohm resistor is connected as it is, plus minus, this is 30 volt. This is point D to E is shorted. Here we can observe that there is a voltage source in series with a resistor. We can apply source transformation here, converting voltage source into current source. That is, I is equal to V by R. Magnitude of voltage source is 30 divided by 3, that is 10 amp. So I'll connect 10 amp current source. Direction is like this, and the same 3 ohm resistor will appear in parallel, and here we have 6 ohm and this was 3 ohm. This is terminal B. So this is the further reduced network. So now here we can observe that 2 ohm resistor is in series with 8 ohm resistor. I can replace this with 10 ohm resistor, and 90 volt voltage source is in series with 30 volt voltage source, and the polarities are opposite to each other. So we supposed to take the difference, that is the voltage value of new voltage source is 60 volt with polarity plus minus. We supposed to follow the polarity with respect to highest magnitude, and here 5 ohm resistor is in series with 10 ohm resistor. I can replace these two resistor by single resistor of magnitude 15. Similarly here 3 ohm resistor is in parallel with 6 ohm resistor. I can replace these two resistor with single resistor, that is R is equal to 3 into 6 divided by 3 plus 6, that is 18 by 9, that is 2 ohm, and this 10 amp current source will appear across 2 ohm resistor. I will redraw the circuit. Reduce the network as this is 10 ohm, 90 volt and 30 volt are in series. I will replace this with single voltage source of magnitude 60 volt, polarities with respect to highest magnitude, and here 5 ohm resistor is in series with 10. So I can replace this with single resistor of 15 ohm, and this 225 volt is kept as it is. These two polarities are shorted, these two nodes are shorted, and this was A terminal. Here 3 and 6 are in parallel. I can replace this with single resistor 2 ohm. This was a current source of 10 amp, and there is a resistor of 2 ohm is connected to node B. We can convert this voltage source into current source, as well this voltage source into current source, by applying source transformation. I will apply source transformation here. Source transformation, that is I is equal to V by R, which is 60 by 10 is equal to 6 amp. Similarly, this voltage source is transformed into source transformation, that is I is equal to V by R, that is 225 by 15 is equal to 15 amp. Now I will redraw the circuit. Now these two 10 and 15 ohm resistor will come parallel to 6 amp and 15 amp current source. I'll redraw the circuit here. This is 10 ohm and the magnitude of current source is 6 amp. Direction is like this because this end is positive. Similarly, 15 ohm resistor and the voltage source is replaced by current source of magnitude 15 amp. This is terminal A, and here there is a 10 ohm resistor. These all nodes are same point now. So here I can draw 2 ohm resistor in parallel with 10 amp. It is connected to node B. So now observe this network. Here 15 ohm resistor is in parallel with 10 ohm resistor and 6 amp current source is in parallel with 15 amp current source. I can replace these two current source by single current source of magnitude 15 minus 6, as it is opposite to each other, that is 9 amp, and the resistance value is 10 and 15 are parallel to each other, that is 15 into 10 divided by 15 plus 10, which is equal to 6 ohm. Now I'll redraw the circuit here. That is a resistor of 6 ohm in parallel to the current source of magnitude 9 amp, and direction is given with respect to highest magnitude, that is like this. This is point A, and here we have another set of current source and resistor, that is this is 2 ohm resistor parallel to 10 amp current source. This was point B. So now again here apply source transformation. I'll apply source transformation. Therefore I can write V is equal to I into R, that is V is equal to 9 into 6 is equal to 54 volt. Similarly, I'll convert this, transform this current source into voltage source as V equal to IR, that is V is equal to 10 into 2 is equal to 20 volt. I will replace current source, voltage source, magnitude is 54 volt. Same resistor will be in series, that is 6 ohm, and here we have a voltage source of magnitude 20 volt and the resistor is 2 ohm connected between terminal A and B. Now here we can observe that 6 ohm is in series with 2 ohm resistor and 54 volt voltage source is in series with 20 volt voltage source. We can replace these two resistors by single resistor of magnitude 8 and both voltage source by single voltage source of magnitude, look at the polarities opposite to each other, that is 54 minus 20, that is 34. So I can write 34 volt in series with 8 ohm between terminal A and B. So this is the final reduced network where resistor is connected in series with voltage source. The magnitude of voltage source is 34 volt and the magnitude of resistor is 8 amp. This is the required solution. Thank you for watching.